Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making Cajun sweet potato hash bowls. These bowls can be prepped ahead and they reheat to perfection. This amount of food got me 6 servings. First, I chopped my scallions and set them aside. Next, I diced all of my sweet potatoes into a small dice, which is about a 1/4 inch square. Then I transfer the sweet potatoes onto a sheet tray lined with parchment, drizzle with olive oil, season with salt and Cajun seasoning, and then these are going to roast in the oven at 425 for about 15 to 20 minutes. While the sweet potatoes are cooking, I get started on the meat. I know I call this a Cajun turkey hash, but I actually used a mix of turkey and chicken because I prefer the texture and flavor when I use the two combined. I also seasoned the meat with Cajun seasoning and salt. Once the turkey and sweet potatoes are cooled to about room temperature, I begin my eggs. Because I'm making these bowls and reheating them, I take extra care to cool each thing individually. I also want to take care not to let the residual heat from the other ingredients contribute to overcooking the eggs. Also, to avoid overcooking, the eggs should be the last ingredient I cook for these bowls, so as soon as they're done cooking, they can get out of the pan and into the meal prep containers. As always, I purposefully undercook my eggs so that on the reheat, they'll be cooked perfectly. When I'm cooking eggs like this, I stand at the stovetop the whole time, ready to stir. Sped up, it looks like I'm constantly stirring, but I'm not. I stir the eggs when I see them just starting to set at the edges of the pan. Next, I'll assemble my bowls, adding in the sweet potatoes, ground meat, eggs, scallions, and goat cheese. Now, every morning this week, I'll have a healthy, delicious breakfast in just 2 minutes. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more easy weekday breakfasts that you could prep ahead.